Hello everyone, I am Nikun Chandresha from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. I am from Robotic and Automation Department. My topic is about device for fire or smoke detector and smoke processing. Let me introduce. I would thank to my college to give me a wonderful opportunity to show up my idea. In my group there are Kaushal Vasave and Shrushri Bagave. Our project guide is PS Kamble sir. Let's begin with my demonstrative project. So, this is a commercial building, and as we all know, many people work in a commercial building, or for any other reason, they are in a commercial building. So, let's consider there is a fire, electrical fire in this building. So, what everyone does, everyone just panic and move to a lift or maybe to the staircase. So, most of the time, people think that let's go to the lift and move away as soon as possible. So, that's not a good idea. It's an electrical appliance, so we should not go to a lift. We should rather use a staircase. But in a staircase, everyone is just panic and running anyway. So many of the people dies due to stampede. So just to avoid that problem, this is a so just to avoid that problem, there are many vacuums present here. As you can see, there are many vacuums in this building. So this vacuum sucks all the air and it makes your vision clear. So what should we do with that smoke? That smoke is being collected in a collector, or you can say a storage for a smoke. After that smoke, what we should use, how we should use that smoke. So yes, I will come to that point later. But first, your question will be: the vacuum is being given a power source. Yes, it is being given a power source. But just to avoid the fire in the vacuum, we can do that. We can use a smoke sensor as well as a fire sensor, which detects the fire and the smoke both. So if both are being detected near the vacuum, what should we do if there is a fire in a vacuum? We have used a sand which is being tied above the vacuum. If smoke and the fire sensor detects the fire and the smoke in the vacuum, then that sand falls on this vacuum. So due to that, the electrical fire or any fire gets stopped there only. So let's come to the point how that smoke can be used. So now let me explain you how this model works. This is first of all, this is the MQ2 smoke sensor. This is the Arduino and this is the breadboard. We have given the connections, and whenever the smoke comes near to the sensor, it will detect the smoke and give us the output. So now the smoke is being detected, and as you can see, we can see the red LED light is glowing. As soon as I remove the smoke, it will stop. So we will release the smoke in this area, in the green area. Why we should release the in this green area? We should release the smoke in the green area to convert CO2 into O2, because the main content of the smoke are nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. So here we can convert all the carbon dioxide into oxygen. So in this is a chamber. So let's move to the another chamber. In this chamber, let's say there is a charcoal, activated charcoal, which gets all the heavy volatile gases inside himself. So in the next chamber, we can use the water, which highly pressurized smoke will enter in this area, and then it get dissolved in the water. In this chamber, we can use oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur in the pure form using different reagents. So your next doubt will be that yes, we have converted all the things into the pure form, but what about the charcoal? We cannot dump the charcoal in the soil. If you dump the charcoal into the soil, it can give a soil pollution. So we will just wash the charcoal and let the volatile gases mixed into the water and get dissolved. We can again convert them into the pure form using in this chamber. So this gives us a solution of the pollution. So we can use the smoke in a power plant where the smoke is being pressurized and moved into the turbine. and from that we can generate the electricity also. So we can use this in daily use for industrial smoke. Thank you everyone to watch my project.